All right, so this is a quick little video for the Tide coupons that I used. A lot of you wanted to know my breakdown. I'm going to go ahead and do a video so that way you guys can run and go do this deal before it's too late. You can do it my way or you can do it your own way, but hopefully you guys have the same coupons that I have. Hopefully you didn't use all of your $3 coupons last week for Tide, but if you did, it doesn't matter. There's still a $2 one, okay? So I did do all of this in one transaction. For every 4 items, I gave her 4 coupons. For my first order, what I did was use my $3 Tide, my $1 Downy, my $2 Tide Pods, and my $2 Tide Pods, which added up to $8. So I only paid taxes for this. I did this same routine 3 times. My second routine was that I used the $3 Tide, $1 Downy, and $1 Bounce, which is the same coupon. I did that once. That adds up to $8. I only paid taxes for that. For this one, I did the $3 Tide, $1 Downy, and the $2 Tide Pods twice. So if you take a quick look at my receipt, there we go. My subtotal was $1. With taxes is $2.90. In total, that came up to $3.90. I used 3,000 points and only paid 90 cents out of pockets. I opened up my account with 29,000 points. Ended with 32,000 points. Alright, so this was a quick little video. If you like this, please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. And I'll definitely put up more videos in the future so that we all can save money out of pocket. Thank you.